So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite spice mixes to make for salmon. You could also use this for seafood in general, but I particularly love it with salmon. You can make the salmon in the air fryer, which I do all the time, or like today, I'm going to put it in the oven. This is going to be good, and it's so easy to make. So this spice mix or spice rub is so easy. I have all of the ingredients in my pantry all the time. So I started with 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Old Bay Seasoning. And for the rest of the ingredients, the ratios are up to you, but I'm going to go for 2 teaspoons of salt-free lemon pepper. I'm also going to be adding 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. This is granulated garlic powder. Here I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of onion powder. And again, the salty, the sweetness, the smokiness is up to you. Play around with the ratios. Here I'm going to opt for 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. I started just to add like 2 teaspoons and I wanted the extra teaspoon, so a tablespoon works for this. I really like the smoky flavor that the paprika gives the salmon. So now mix it all together, and I typically can get around 3 uses for the quantity of what I made today. I'm not going to use this entire bowl for one go. So you'll want to make sure you put it in a small jar or baggie for later use. So I'm going to make an easy dinner. Here I have 5 skinless salmon fillets. And like I stated earlier, the rub amount that I made today definitely works for several uses. I'm going to add cooking oil to my salmon, and I'm just going to rub that all over the exterior surface of each piece of salmon. By the way, I'm using clean hands. Now I'm just going to season both sides of each piece of salmon. And the amount, like I said, is up to you. I'm not really measuring anything, but I love the blend of these spices and seasonings for salmon. So I'm going to be baking these in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for around 10 minutes or until it's done. So I'm just going to prep the rest of the ingredients for this dinner. This is actually a very quick salmon dinner that I like to make. My son requests this all the time with this specific smoky sweet rub. It's just really one of his favorites. The salmon is ready, so I'm going to remove it from the oven, and dinner is practically served. I'm just going to put everyone's plate together, and it's ready. Let me show you what dinner looks like. Here I have some steamed rice, salmon on top. I'm going to add slices of fresh cucumber. I'm also going to add a garnish of half of a small avocado that I sliced, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice right on top. And this is dinner. It's so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.